questions come from this part also. So let's take few questions from here. Then, as we have already discussed, that we will be starting with the trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry, that we'll be taking. I think from the next class we'll be starting that. Today, let's take few questions from the roots part. Just a second. The first question is, do try it, because you already understand, we have already discussed the concept which is related to the nature of the roots. Do solve this question. Find the value of k for which the following equation has real and equal roots. The equation is x square minus 2x 1 plus 3k. If you understood the concept in the previous class, if you understood how to identify ABC, then you will be able to do it. Do it. Are you doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. What you got as a value of k? Basically, you just have to, three formulas we are having in hand. B square minus 4ac. The first formula is b square minus 4ac greater than 0, which says that roots are real and distinct. Distinct means different. The second formula is b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. That says that roots are real and same. Now, the third formula is b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0. That means roots are not real. Are you able to do it? The second rule, yes, Abdul, if you are not getting, with you also one day recall it. I was talking about the nature of the root, okay? And in previous class, we have discussed it in detail that there is a discriminant. For the discriminant, there is a formula. Now, what is discriminant? This is called discriminant. B square minus 4ac. This is called discriminant. If it is bigger than 0, if you are getting a value which is bigger than 0, b square minus 4ac is bigger than 0, then roots are real and distinct. Okay, the second one, if b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then roots are same. Roots are real and same. Distinct means different roots will be there. And the third formula was there, that is b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, then roots are not real. Now let's use this concept here in the question. It says clearly that real and equal root, that means the formula number 2, real and same. Same means equal root. Okay. So the second formula is b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Now we have to check in our quadratic equation. See this rectangular box. It's a quadratic equation if you are able to identify. Here a, b, c value, if I'll ask you, a is the coefficient of x square, that is 1. C is the constant term, and please identify, see it carefully, that this is the c value. 7 in bracket 3 plus 2k. This is the c value, that is 7 in bracket 3 plus 2k. And what is b then? B is the coefficient of x. Whatever is multiplied with x, that is b. So this 2 and this 1 plus 3k. 2 and then 1 plus 3k. This all together it's a b. जो भी x के साथ multiplied है, सब कुछ b है. Okay, this b square you have to do. Minus 4ac is equals to 0, and then only we'll be able to find the value of k. Let's solve it. So just a second. Now what we will do b square, that is 2 square, that is 4. Then 1 plus 3k whole square. Then minus 7 into 3 plus 2k. Now when you will simplify it, again you will end up getting a quadratic equation. Yeah. You have to solve whatever you will be having. Basic equation, quadratic equation. Basically your purpose is to find the value of k from here by doing anything. Okay, so let's find the value of k. It will be 4a plus b whole square is, tell me what is the formula for a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, minus 7 3 times 21 and minus 14k is equals to 0. Okay. So we are having 4 over here, then 1 plus 3k into 2, that is 6k plus 9k square minus 21 minus 14k is equals to 0. Let's multiply 4. So we will be having 4 plus 6, 4 times 24k. Then 4 we need to multiply with 9. 4 times 36k square minus 21 minus 14k is equals to 0. So far, any confusion to anyone? We were discussing in the previous class, right? What is A, what is B, and what is C? How to identify A, B, C from the given quadratic equation? Yes or no? Yes, Afnan, was you there in the previous class? Afnan, you was there, yes or no? Ifra? Abdul, I can recall that you was not there. Are you getting it so far? Is it clear to everyone? Abdul, yes or no? Yes, Abdul? Afnan, Ifra, let me know, then only I'll proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
Abdul, is it clear? My voice is lagging. Is it lagging a lot?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Abdul, please check your connectivity. The formula b square minus 4ac is equals to 0 we have used. Why? Because it is talking about the equal root, formula number 2. We have written the formula for equal root and then we are just writing a, b, c from the given quadratic equation. b का मतलब होता है जो भी x के साथ मल्टीप्लाइड है वो b है, जो भी x स्क्वायर के साथ मल्टीप्लाइड है सामने बैठा हो या बाद में बैठा हो, that doesn't like change. Okay, if even if you are having x square into 3, then also your a is 3. If you are having 3x square, your a value is 3. So doesn't matter if it is just lying or sitting in the front or maybe just after x square, doesn't matter at all. Okay, whatever is multiplied with x square, that's the coefficient of x square, that's a. Whatever is multiplied with x, it can be in front, it can be afterwards, doesn't matter. It, so whatever is multiplied with x, that's b, and the constant term is 7 into 3 plus 2k. Here k is a constant. We have to treat this k like a constant. Okay, we have used the formula, we ended up getting a quadratic form, and now we will do the simplification over here. So we are having 36k square. Ifra, are you getting it? Abdul, now is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's continue. 36k square plus 24k minus 14k also we are having. Do it. Do the simplification. Then minus 21 plus 4 is what? Minus 21 plus 4 is what? Yes. Minus 21 plus 4 is what?
25 minus 25.
No, it is not. It is not. One is positive, another is negative. The result will be negative. What?
Minus 17.
17, right? Minus 17. Now 24 minus 14 is 0, 10. 10k, 36k square plus 10k minus 17 is equals to 0. Okay, you have to split the middle term to take out the value of k. Now, if that is not simple, then use the formula. What is the formula? You already know that there is a formula, the magic formula, the quadratic formula given by the mathematician Sridharacharya. So the formula we can use anytime, be whether the quadratic equation is very simple or just like this. So if you are able to split the middle term, go ahead, and if you are not, use the formula quickly. Okay, check it. Are you able to split the middle term over here? 17 into 36 will be any number which you have to split into two different number, which added together or maybe subtracted together will give 10. So 36 we can break whenever you have to split middle term like this. No, if you want to try, if you don't want to go for the formula, because formula will also take time, calculation takes time. Okay, so 36 you can, rather than doing the multiplication and then starting to think about how you can split the middle term, you can take this 36 as a 6 into 6 or maybe 2 into 3, 2 into 3, and then you can think about which can be taken as a team A and which numbers can be taken as a team B. Both multiplied together is AC and added or subtracted together is the middle term. Okay. So now still we have not figured it out. If we will take this 6 as a 2 into 3, this 6 as a 2 into 3, let me show you the process. 17, if we will take 17 into 4, no, 17 4 times and then 3 times 9, we will be having such a huge number. No. Anything else? 72 times 17 into 2, if we will keep this two number in one team and 3 into 2 into 3 in another team, will it work? 3 times 9, 2 times 18. 17 two times 34. No, still we are not getting 10, right? Okay, let's use the formula, because if one or two possibility you are checking, and if it is not clicking, then that means you are supposed to use the formula. Let's use it. K is equals to minus b, that means minus 10 plus minus under root b square minus 4 into a into c by 2a. Do the calculation and let me know what are you getting. Yes, calculation will take time, but that is the only option we are having, because we tried splitting the middle term. Maybe anything can click over there, but it was not clicking for us. If you are getting it, let me know. I'll take it. What is the k value? 100 plus 4 into 36 into 17. This multiplication you have to perform by yourself. It is 2448. Are you getting the same? And from here we'll be getting the k value. It can be inside the root irrational number, it can be rational number, doesn't matter at all. Okay, this is how we will be getting the k value, and this type of question can also come in exam. So if your concept is clear, any type of question you will be able to solve. Are you getting same? Ifra, Afnan, Abdul is not there. Okay, Abdul is not there.
Yes, ma'am.
By 36 into 2 is 72. We will try adding this two number 2448 and 100. It will be 845. It seems like it's not a perfect square number. If you want, you can check it. Long division method, yes, you have to apply and you have to check. So you can use long division method 2548 like this. Pair. 5 times 25. Okay, and then 48 you will copy down. You can see whatever you will write beside this 100, this 48 will not go. Okay, so you have to take a, it will be decimal. Better just leave it like this: minus 10 plus minus under root 2548 by 72. Any confusion? Or you can do the factorization and you can take out common factor. So 2548 you can use. There was a prime factorization method to find the square root. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can use that approach, and whatever number it is possible to take out from the square root sign, you can take that out. 2 times 4, 7 times 14, 4 times 8. Then again 6 times 12, 3. Keep it like this. So we can see we got a pair of 2. That means 2 can come out. And inside that 637 we will be keeping as it is. Plus minus 10 by 72. Now 2 we can take out common in the numerators part. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will be left with minus 5 plus minus under root 637 by this. From the 72 also 2 we have taken out and cancelled with the numerators 2, which we have taken out as a common like this. By 36. Are you getting it? Ifra and Afnan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the basically everything is all about the calculation. Only the first step where you have to identify what is A, what is B, and what is C. A was simple to identify. B and C, you need to identify from here that B is this and C is this. Have you copied everything from here? Have you checked the calculation also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how we are supposed to do it. Any confusion? Ifra and Afnan, so far any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Now I am giving you one question. Note it down. You have to do it as a homework. Okay? Note it down. Maybe this question is from solving the linear equation or maybe quadratic equation. Check it. If we are having something like this, then how to solve it. Okay? This is what we are having over here. Now let me give you the hint. Hint is first try to solve from the bottom part. Okay? 2 minus 1 by 2 minus x. You can take the LCM over here and then you can do the simplification. Okay? So when you will take the LCM as a 2 minus x and you will do the simplification, you will be left with a term like 1 by something. 1 by maybe for example 1 by t by 5. Okay, example I am giving. 1 by t by 5 will be 1 divided by t by 5. It will be 1 into 5 by t. So whenever 1 by something is there, no, you have to just do the reciprocal of that. So 1 by t by 5 basically will be 5 by t. 1 by 8 minus k by 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5k will be 2 minus 5k.